Hi friends, this video shows how to recover contacts from Google account. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. So let me open this phone app. So first I am going to delete one contact. I am going to delete this contact A0. Tap here. Then tap on more and delete. Move to recycle bin. See, I have deleted that contact from the phone. Then go to tap on these contacts, tap on these three dots, then go to manage contacts, tap on sync contacts. So we have to sync, then only it will delete from the Google account. It will automatically delete if we enable this. Okay, so now I have deleted that contact. Let me check. Go to settings, then go to Google, then tap on manage your Google account. Tap here. If you have multiple Google account, you can select one Google account from here, then select manage your Google account. Go to people and sharing, tap here, tap on contacts, then tap on stay on web. See, A0 is not showing here because I have deleted it. So next I am going to recover it. Here you can see three lines here. Tap on these three lines, then tap on bin. In bin you can see that deleted A0 contact. I am going to recover it. Tap on the contact, tap on recover. Done. Let me verify. Again go to phone app. See, A0 is still not showing here because we have to sync. Go to contacts, tap on these three dots, go to settings. Not settings. Go to manage contacts, go to sync contacts. So we have to sync, tap on sync. Okay, then go to phone app. See, now A0 is has recovered. So this way we can restore deleted contacts from Google account. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.